I got your question in the email. The number of grams of a certain radioactive substance at present time t is given by this formula here. A equal 100 times e to negative 0.004 t, where t is in years. Find the number of grams that are present initially, at time equals 0 and then 500. So you want to put in 0 and then 500 here. And for the 500, you definitely need to use a calculator. But for 0, I don't need to use a calculator. So I replace t with 0, and so you multiply, minus 0.004 times 0, and that's 0. So you have e, which is a number a little smaller than 3 to 0 power. Well, anything to 0 power, you could check this on your calculator, but anything to 0 power is 1. And so you're starting, the answer is 100, and it's in grams. And so this part, when you put in 0, this part always comes out to 1. And so, this number here is always the starting amount, when you have this type of formula. Hope that helps.